Hey there! Ever wonder what insulin really does in your body? Let's break it down, super simple. Insulin is a hormone. That means it's like a tiny messenger made by your pancreas. Its main job? To help sugar from your food get into your cells so your body has energy. How does it work? Think of insulin like a key. It unlocks your cells so sugar can get in and power you up. Why do some people need to take insulin? Some people's bodies don't make enough insulin or it doesn't work right. That's what happens in diabetes, so they take insulin as medicine to help keep their blood sugar just right. Types of insulin. There are different kinds of insulin. Some work really fast, like before a meal. Others work slowly, all day long. Sometimes doctors mix both to help balance your sugar levels. When do you use insulin? If you have type 1 diabetes, insulin is something you need every day. In type 2 diabetes, some people use it too, especially if other treatments aren't enough. Is it scary? Not really. You might use a tiny pen or needle. It may sound scary, but most people say it doesn't hurt much, and it helps you feel better and stay healthy. Can insulin be dangerous? Too much insulin can make your blood sugar drop too low. That's called hypoglycemia. It can make you dizzy, shaky, or tired. But don't worry, it's fixable with quick sugar and help from an adult. How do you store it? Before you open it, insulin goes in the fridge. After that, it can stay at room temperature for about a month. Just keep it away from heat and sunlight. Is there insulin you don't have to inject? Scientists are working on insulin you can breathe in or maybe even take as a pill. That's not common yet, but it might be in the future. Why insulin matters? Insulin helps your body use food for energy. Without it, your body gets tired and sick. So if you need insulin, it's actually a superpower tool. Now you know what insulin does. If you have more questions, ask your doctor, your parents, or diabetes nurse. Knowledge is power.